got that energy, 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 energy.
Happy birthday, Justin! Happy birthday, Justin!
Si Justin, actually kakaiba siyang bata. Malakas siya para sa edad niya, malaki siya para sa edad niya. Right now, kahit 1 year old, mag-1 year pa lang siya tomorrow talaga. He's already wearing a 3-year-old size ng damit. Kaya masayahin siyang bata, lagi siya nakasmile. And ang kinatutuwa ng lahat sa kanya is lagi siya nagbe-bless to everyone. So I'm very happy na lumalaki siya.
Kamukha ko raw si Justin. Simple lang, sobrang pogi ng anak ko kasi, kaya siguro ganun talaga, no? Si Justin is naging new source of happiness ng pamilya. At malusog, malakas kumain si Justin.
Mana sa daddy.
Someone pinch me, I think I'm hallucinating. And it feels so good, too good to be true.
Na-inspire kami doon sa bata na coming new artist from Showtime. Ginagaya si Coco Martin, no?
And at the same time, letter J kasi yung start ng name.
Oo.
So J ako, J yung kuya niya. Si daddy niya lang ang hindi J.
Nagparaya na lang ako.
Pero yung second name niya comes from daddy. Yung talaga yung gusto niyang second name. Na derived from the car, from the Hyundai car na Cascade.
Going all out. Got the magic in my feet, my head up in the clouds. I'm all in.
Happy birthday, Cassie!
Happy birthday, Justin! Happy birthday, Justin! Hi anak, 1-year-old ka na. Very happy kami ni Mami and of course the whole family sa pagdating mo sa buhay namin. Maging masaya ka lang and continue to be blessing to everyone, and at the same time, happy kid ka lang kasi palagi eh. So, I love you anak.
I just wanna be in the moment. I'ma let my hair down tonight.
Happy birthday, Cassie!
Know my feels and
Happy birthday, Cassie!
It's a real life
Happy birthday, Cassie!
I'm all in, going all out. Got the magic in my feet, my head up in the clouds. I'm all in, like right now.
Hi anak! I'm very happy na dumating ka sa buhay ng mami, dami ni daddy, lalo na ng kuya mo na pinagdasal ka sa mahabang panahon. I always love you the same, and mommy is here to support you, to take care of you hanggang sa tumanda ka, kahit magkaasawa ka na. Pero wag muna kasi 1-year-old ka pa lang, okay?
Advance ka lang.
I love you, mahal na mahal ka namin.
I'm all in, going all out.
Happy first birthday, Cassie! We love you!